Hey guys, Dan back, and today I'm gonna be playing Murderer. His name's Piggy. Wait. Mm-hmm. Hold up, guys. Okay, there. Which one should I do, guys? No, I'm just gonna do this one. Okay. You are a civilian, try to survive. Okay. So I'm doing this on computer, I'm gonna monitor, headphones, and everything like that. Don't shoot me. Hold up. These people are evil. Yeah. Find the murderer and shoot him and leave no mercy. Okay, now I'm just going upstairs. Yeah. Just run and run and run. And head straight here. I'm gonna draw it. Pew. Ugh. Wow. 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 Yeah. The next video is gonna be part 2. And then after that, I'm gonna be doing some different stuff on what's it called, Animal Jam, and then after that video, I'm gonna do Gacha Life. I'm gonna make after yeah, and I'm just gonna make a Gacha Life video after this video, okay, guys? Okay. I hope you can hear me clearly. This isn't my first time. My brother and my sister have done this. I've done this a lot. This is my second video. Why am I always dying all of a sudden? Guys, leave a comment down below. Should I play more on the next video? Like on the next vid? Should I, guys? Should I? Should I? I'm just kidding. Yeah. I mean, that was a stupid thing to do. No. I'm expecting him. Yeah. Tell me what I should do next. Bro, no. I'm gonna do a Gacha Life series later. Wait. No, I'm just gonna do it in the next episode. But okay, I'm gonna end this video when I win as murderer. Okay. If you said okay, then final thoughts. Should I do more? murdering series. And then later I should do some different type of Gacha Life series.
Alright.
Okay, that was my brother. That's alright, guys. Um. Ah, fail. Um, guys. What up, guys? My little baby brother. Died. Well, that's it for these video series. Yeah. Goodbye. What do I just cut?
Bye bye.